I just want to let everybody know that I sold Credo yesterday. I initially bought Credo on the 26th of July, New York market time. I bought it for $201.34, and I bought it in the quantity of 0.49 something, and plus fees plus tax. So I got the total amount of value $99.99 or $100. So on the 11th of August, New York morning time, I sold Credo at the price of $264.04, and then there were fees. So the amount that I received was $130.06. So from this trade, initially it costed me $100, and I got $130.06 out of it. So I made a gain of $30.07, or in percentage, that's a realized gain of 30.1%. So I'm happy with how that goes. Now, if we look at my portfolio, now I have 6 stocks, with NVDA being the first stock that I bought. Its unrealized gain for now is 11.99%. For AVGO Broadcom, 13.96%. For Devon Energy, 1.87%. For ASML, it's almost 1%. And it's good that it's in the green territory, because it has been in the red territory for a couple of weeks. That was a bit concerning, but anyway, that's how the market goes. So I'm happy that it's now at 1% gain. Vertiv Holdings, the gain is 14.83%. And COCO, which I just bought this week, I'm pretty happy that it has gained almost 5%, but you never know. It can always come down next week, and then it goes up, then down again. So what matters is hopefully I can sell it with a good price and made a positive realized gain. So the total gain for the portfolio is 8.06%, or in dollars value, it's $48.31. And that's out of $600 worth of stocks. So that's my update for now. This is my learning journey in managing a portfolio using TipRanks and Simply Wall Street to guide me on the decision on which stocks I should buy. I hope you enjoy my learning journey in buying and selling stocks. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye. Quick reminder, everything here is for education and entertainment, not financial advice. This is my own real money experiment. I'm not a licensed advisor. Do your own research or talk to one before you invest. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for the next pick.